I want to quickly review our GoDaddy website builder, and GoDaddy is actually involved in a lot of activities. But in today's conversation, we want to really focus on the website builder part of this activity. So here's an overview I want you to pay attention to. When you think about GoDaddy, I want you to think about an all-in-one website builder. And the cool thing is it's very popular. So if you're a DIY person, let's say you like to do things yourself, this is actually a great tool that you can avail yourself of. And the cool thing here is that you can actually create a new website within minutes. I mean, you don't have to actually spend like a whole day to have an online presence. You can start, and within 5 minutes or 10 minutes maximum, you have a website. Now, do you have a sophisticated website? Not really. But you can have a decent website, yes. You can have a good quality, decent website within minutes. And with GoDaddy, you have a drag and drop sort of function. I'll speak about the features later on, but I want to quickly say that it's very easy to use. You also have a drag and drop feature. You have e-commerce functionalities, and you have a robust set of built-in marketing features. This is kind of cool. And when you think about GoDaddy, I want you to think about not just a website builder, but you also have to think about the fact that you can host your domain through GoDaddy. You have e-commerce functionalities. In other words, you can actually have an online store. You can sell digital products. You can sell physical products. You can do drop shipping and so on and so forth. So this is kind of cool. And the cool thing is that GoDaddy is well known for its domain registration and hosting services, but it also has its own very, very sophisticated website builder. And so you can actually create everything from scratch. And you don't have to have experience. You don't have to have an acumen in the field. This is what it is. And GoDaddy also compares favorably when it comes to pricing with other platforms such as Wix and Squarespace. You have intuitive features, and again, GoDaddy is accessible for all kinds of users, from beginner all the way to experienced. By the way, boss, I want to welcome you back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. We are going to enjoy today's conversation. We're going to give you all kinds of. We're going to share with you all kinds of capabilities you can expect from GoDaddy. So here's a review I want you to really sort of pay attention to. I'm going to go through the pros and cons so we can have a clear idea what kind of drawbacks and advantages does GoDaddy really bring to the table. I want to start with the positive first. So what are the advantages here? What are the pros? You do have affordable plans. When you think about GoDaddy, and especially when it comes to its website builder plan, this is really good. You have very affordable sort of tiers. You have a lot of design templates, so you can actually you can build your website with no coding experience. GoDaddy has about 100 to 150 responsive design templates. I want to insist on the mobile responsive aspect of things, because if you are going in this day and age, if you are going to have an online presence and you're not mobile responsive, you are really wasting your time, because more than 3/4 of your traffic will come from mobile. No matter what you're selling, no matter what kind of a website you have, you can expect at least 3/4 of your traffic to come from mobile devices. So it's really important to have something in that front. And there is a free version available when it comes to GoDaddy. So, overall, we love those pros. I mean, there are other pros, but those are the most prominent ones. Let's talk about the cons here. When it comes to the drawbacks, the very important thing I want to mention is that you do have like a limited site design customization. That's what I said earlier. Like, first of all, with GoDaddy, don't expect to have a sleek website such as the one you can get with Squarespace, for instance, but you have something decent. But on top of that, if you have something decent, you can't customize it. You cannot customize it. Okay. And with GoDaddy, you also have a limited e-commerce features. What I'm trying to say is that GoDaddy is kind of cool when it comes to e-commerce, but you're not going to have something as broad and deep as you would get with Shopify or Wix or WooCommerce or BigCommerce or Big Cartel, or Adobe Commerce, Magento. And there are some pricey add-ons. If you get third-party plugins or third-party functionalities, you might end up paying more. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about GoDaddy Website Builder. This is a GoDaddy Website Builder review. I want to talk to you about the pricing, and I want you to look right now on the screen. Look with me on the screen so you can see that with GoDaddy, you have 4 pricing tiers. You have the basic, the premium, the commerce, and the commerce plus. Now, those pricing tiers are actually valid as of the date of this show. Maybe by the time you watch this, maybe this could be 1 month from now or 10 years from now. Things might change a little bit, but as of now, this is what we have. And the cool thing is that, when you think about GoDaddy, you actually have a set of capabilities. There is a free plan, but that free plan really is basic, really basic. So they don't even put it here when it comes to the pricing tiers. But you can see on the screen here at the bottom, it says always start for free. Start for free, right? So that's the free plan. But that free plan has limited features such as a GoDaddy. You will have GoDaddy brand or GoDaddy ads plastered on your website. But if you want to have something free, you can actually have a domain, but you're going to have a subdomain from GoDaddy. There are 4 paid plans that all come with a free SSL certificate, custom domain connection, analytics, and 24/7 support. So that's what you just saw on the screen right now. Now, when you think about the basic plan, you have 1 social media platform that you can integrate. For the premium, you have 3 social media platforms you can integrate. For the commerce, it's unlimited. For the commerce plus, same thing. When we talk about social media posts per month, for the basic, you have 5. For the premium, you have 20. For the commerce and commerce plus, it's unlimited. For the number of email marketing sends per month, for the basic, you have 100. For the premium, 25,000. For the commerce is the same thing. For the commerce plus, you have $100,000 for 100,000 emails sent. So overall, one thing I want to say here is that the difference between those pricing tiers depends on the usage, the volume that you want to actually run through those plans. Those through your accounts, that is. So if you think you're going to use, for instance, a lot of email marketing sends per month, then it's better to go with a commerce plan or the premium plan. And if you are going to post a lot on social media, it's just better to go with a commerce plan automatically, because the premium plan is just it's too limited, and so is the basic plan also. I want to talk to you about the added value. So when we think about GoDaddy, what is the added value you need to really think about? Again, I'm not speaking about GoDaddy in terms of domain registrar. I'm speaking strictly into this conversation about GoDaddy Website Builder. And so the added value here is sort of diverse, is broad, is deep. So you are able to accept payments through a GoDaddy if you have a GoDaddy websites. So with an e-commerce plan, you can process payments via GoDaddy Payments or through a variety of other payments processors, including PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Venmo. You have a blog, so you can add a blog to your GoDaddy website. The builder comes with popular blogging features such as category management and blog commenting. You have email marketing also, so all paid plans include the ability to send emails directly from the GoDaddy dashboard. Though send volumes, as you probably heard, I think as I said 2 or 3 minutes ago, send volumes vary significantly by plan. 100 to 25,000 emails allowed per month. You also have appointment, service, and scheduling app. So all paid plans include a free appointment scheduling app, though you will have to actually upgrade to the premium or e-commerce plan for advanced features such as recurring appointments, group events, appointment email reminders, and appointment payments. You have 24/7 support. This is really one area where GoDaddy Website Builder adds a lot of value, because you can get around-the-clock support via chat, phone, and the GoDaddy Online Help Center. You can sell digital and physical products, and this is actually possible on the e-commerce plan. You have a digital marketing suite. So, this is kind of cool. So you are able to access GoDaddy's suite of marketing tools, including branded content creation, social media management, search engine optimization, expanded email marketing, paid search, and social and email analytics. It's just fantastic. You also have unlimited storage and bandwidth. There is no limit on file storage or bandwidth for your GoDaddy website. You have website design services. So this is kind of cool. And you have hardware options also. If you have a physical store or need to process in-person payments, GoDaddy offers both a card reader and a full POS system. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about GoDaddy Website Builder. This is a GoDaddy Website Builder review. I want to give you some extras. When you think about GoDaddy, there are some extras you need to pay attention to real fast. It's really important to understand that when you think about GoDaddy, you do have like a lot of pros, right? But you need to really understand, please read the fine print here before actually you sign up with GoDaddy as your website builder. Because the thing here is that there are certain things you need to be aware of. So for example, you have a limited design customization. The thing is that, you can have like 100 to 150 attractive website templates from GoDaddy, right? But once you pick one, you cannot really customize it because those templates are relatively rigid. Okay. So they do offer limited fonts and layout adjustments. Like the way we actually like to analyze GoDaddy, we like to contrast it with Squarespace, for instance, or Webflow. If you know what I'm talking about, if you have seen a Webflow website before, or you have seen a Squarespace website before, you want to contrast that with a GoDaddy website. Yes, the template is good, but the customization is really, really lackluster. Okay. And so you are also not allowed to transfer websites. You can build a WordPress websites with GoDaddy hosting and transfer your site to another hosting provider. But if you build your sites with the GoDaddy website builder, you cannot move your site to another hosting service. Okay. You have to stay with them. You're kind of stuck, if you will. And also there are things that I really want you to pay attention to. You do have limited app integrations through GoDaddy. I mean, the thing is that most website builders integrate with hundreds of apps, if not thousands. As a matter of fact, if you think about Shopify or Wix, for instance, okay. And because what you want is, see, the thing is when you have integrations, you want to have freedom when it comes to expanding website features and functionality, right? Now, GoDaddy does not have an app store as of yet. And a deep dive into its help center did not reveal which integrations are available. So with fewer app integrations, your GoDaddy website might not be able to accommodate the specialized features that other platforms offer. And SEO is also limited on GoDaddy. So it's something they need to work on. GoDaddy, if you're listening to us right now, please beef up your SEO offering. I want to talk to you about the rivals here. So when we talk about GoDaddy in terms of website builder, GoDaddy is not the only player in this field. You have a lot of players, but I just want to focus on two because we can't really compare and contrast all of them here. So when you think about Squarespace and Wix, for instance, you can see that GoDaddy can do a little better. Let's go through some features to sort of compare and contrast. When you think about the cost, GoDaddy, you were paying somewhere from $0 all the way to $30, right? So $0, that's the free plan. With Squarespace is a little more expensive, and so is Wix. Squarespace, you're paying from $12 all the way to $54 per month. And for Wix, you're paying from $0 to $49. So Wix also has a free plan, so it's really good to know. And in terms of templates, Wix actually beats everybody. We're talking about website templates though. With GoDaddy, you have like 100 to 150. For Squarespace, you have 100 to 350, 375. For Wix, you have more than 800. Wix, you have like 800 to 1200 templates. In terms of free trial, you do have a free trial on all those three players. So GoDaddy actually is better because GoDaddy has a 30-day free trial. Squarespace has 14 days, and so does Wix. All like the GoDaddy and Squarespace offer unlimited storage, but Wix does not. And there is a free version available on GoDaddy and Wix, but Squarespace, you have to pay for it right off the bat. And so in terms of e-commerce capabilities, you actually have like all three of those players. They offer e-commerce oriented sort of features. And there's no free domain with GoDaddy. And but if you go with Squarespace, The free domain is included with the first year of annual plans. And also, this is really good. So overall, when you think about this quick compare and contrast, it's just better to go with GoDaddy if pricing is really important for you. But if customization is an important element, an important criterion for you, go with Squarespace. If you want to avail yourself of an all-in-one sort of website builder, go with Wix. Wix really beats everybody when it comes to all-in-one offers, hands down. So what is the verdict here? So is the GoDaddy website builder right for you or your business? The thing first is that, before I answer that question, I want to ask you, what are your goals? What kind of capabilities you want to have? What kinds of capabilities you want to have on your website? And do you want to have a website that is decent, or do you want to have a website that is like sleek and visually appealing? Because the thing here is that when you really think about it, Wix, for instance, has 800 to 1200 templates, and GoDaddy only has 100 to 150. So right off the bat, you can see that if visual appeal is really what you are after, you're not going to get that through GoDaddy. Okay. And the thing is that GoDaddy, the GoDaddy website builder is actually an intuitive tool that lets you quickly build a website. And GoDaddy provides you with everything you need within its platform. This all-in-one functionality means you won't have to fuss with finding external plugins or hosting services. But if you want to, then the app, there's no app market. You're gonna have to find something else. And the thing is that when you think about GoDaddy Builder, you have to think about a tool that was created with beginners in mind. So it is a tool that's excellent with for anyone with limited technical and design experience, and the platform lets you incorporate the most in-demand features on your website, including email capture and communication, social media integration, blogging and e-commerce functionality, and plans when it comes to cost, plan fees are relatively modest, which means GoDaddy can accommodate nearly any budget. Okay, and the thing is that if you're talking about the best, let's say the best website builder on the market today. Well, besides GoDaddy, you got to think about Squarespace. You got to think about maybe Weebly also. Weebly is owned by Square. So you want to you have the endorsement of a third party, like a very giant player in the e-commerce field. So we love that a lot. And the thing is that if you build your website through GoDaddy, you can have Google Ads. There's no problem. And also you are able to get a free custom domain with GoDaddy also. And the thing here is that you need to understand, you are going to build a website, if you will. You are going to build a website with a very reliable player. I mean, GoDaddy is actually present in various forms when it comes to e-commerce, when it comes to online presence in general. I told you before that GoDaddy is known for its hosting capabilities, is known for its domain registrar services. So in addition to website building, they do other stuff. So that you need to be aware of that. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. We are actually at the end of today's conversation. I want to do a quick recap rather. So in today's conversation, I did a GoDaddy website builder review. I give you the overview, the review, the pricing, the added value, the extras, the rivals. Yeah, very important. The verdict. And now doing the recap. Thank you. God bless you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.